How to copy and share profile link on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, and it works both ways, whether you want to copy and share your own profile link or other people's profile links. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. Open up your Threads app and say, for example, that you wanted to copy and share a another user profile link. Say, for example, this one. I will click on the profile, and once you are here, you need to click on the three um, dots within the circle icon at the top right corner, and from there you will see the option. It says copy link, so click on it and it tells you that the link has been copied to your mobile note app, and you also have the option to share the link via other social media apps, as you can see right here. Now if you want to copy your own profile link, head over to your profile right here, and once you are there you will see the option at the top. It says share profile. Click on it and you will also get the options to either copy the link or to share it using other apps on your mobile phone and other ways. As you can see, the link has been copied, and now you can share it using whatever method you want. So it's that easy and simple. That was it for this video. That's how you can copy and share Threads profile links. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.